Good afternoon to all my viewers. I am here in Jaro Plaza and I am very lucky to have a Scottish citizen that visited Iloilo for 19 days. So it is our honor to interview him. How did you find Iloilo and if he loves Iloilo City? Good afternoon.
Hello.
Yeah, welcome to Iloilo, Philippines.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, what country did you came from, sir?
I've come from Scotland.
Oh, really? So, how long did you stay here now?
I've been here 19 days now. I'm going home tomorrow morning at 6 a.m.
So, I'm so very lucky to see you right now
Thank
here
you.
in Jaro Plaza.
Very lucky.
So, how did you find our place?
Very good.
Oh, thank you so
Very
much.
delightful, very welcoming.
Okay. So, because if you are a Scottish, how did you find, you know our Iloilo City by internet or what else?
Actually, basically, I didn't know nothing about Iloilo to begin with, basically, until I met my partner online.
Oh, okay. So, wow, you're so very lucky because you find Ilongga online. Because, you know, sir, Ilongga is very hospitable, very malambing, and of course, guapa. You know guapa? Yeah, guapa is beautiful. So, later we will show everybody the partner of sir. So, in Scottish, could you identify the culture of Scottish compared to the Philippines that is really different?
Well, in the Philippines, basically, everybody's more welcoming than in Scotland. Basically, when you reach a certain age in Scotland, basically, you're like shoved out onto your own. Try and live your own life instead of basically everybody else's life. Whereas the Philippines, basically everybody comes together at the weekends at least, basically, and be a family.
Wow! So I'm praying that you will come back here in Iloilo.
I'm going to try to, yes.
Yay! Thank you so much. So, because you already know your partner as very beautiful, and what else you can say about Ilongga or a Filipina? What can you say about us? Based on your partner.
Very beautiful people,
Oh, that's right.
welcoming, always open-handed, basically wanting love from each other.
So, is it okay, sir, that I will ask you a very personal question?
Depends on what that question
Okay.
is.
Are you already single?
Yes.
So, what is your work back there in Scotland?
I'm a production worker.
Oh, okay. Are a company, like a factory, like that. Oh, okay. So, is it okay now that I will show your face, ma'am? And here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful Ilongga. That's why sir loves her, because she is Ilongga. So, can you introduce yourself, ma'am?
Hello, I'm Dory.
Wow! So, it speaks itself na si ma'am guwapa. That's why na-attract si sir.
The one that win her Lizard. You mean I am the one win your heart?
So, here in Iloilo, ma'am, taga-diin ka di sa aton?
La Paz.
You are from...
My hometown is San Dionisio, but I'm staying in La Paz.
So, we are the same, ma'am, because I stay in Siniquay, Lapus. So, we are just neighboring, in Siniquay, Lapus, near the plaza of La Paz.
I'm also near the plaza, Iglesia ni Cristo.
Yes,
Beside
yes.
the Iglesia ni Cristo.
So we are very neighboring place there in La Paz. Every time I go in a plaza, I just go first in La Paz Plaza. But because now in La Paz Plaza is ongoing construction, so we just directly go here in Jaro Plaza. So what can you say about the infrastructure here in Iloilo? Did you find it very progressive, or what else you can say, sir?
Well, at the moment, it's not probably one of your best because most of the places are under construction. So I'll have to wait until you've actually finished the construction and come back again.
Yeah, that's right. So that you can see really the beauty of the constructed building. Okay. So, what can you tell about your countrymen, like Scottish men, about us here in the Philippines? Will you invite them to come over?
I shall try and do my best, basically, because it is a lovely country to come and visit.
Wow. So,
This is my third visit, so I'll come back again. So
oh, that's nice. That's very nice. So, in your 19 days, what places did you go? Here, aside Iloilo City.
well, I'm gonna have to.
Din siya ma'am nagkanto sa 19 days niya?
Sa Indonesia, my hometown.
Oo.
Already 2 times.
Oo.
And then, just around just outside the Iloilo.
Oo.
Like, just, Ibaras.
Ay, oo.
Yeah, today we went to Pilas Hills.
Ay, oo, namin ito ma'am. Okay.
And then, Tumangan.
So, have you been there in Boracay, sir?
Not yet.
Not yet. Maybe your next visit, you can go to Boracay or Gigantes Island, ma'am. You can bring them.
We were planning, but we don't have enough time.
Oo nga, because 19 days is a very short
Yeah, we
time.
went to my hometown to process our marriage license.
Ah.
So that's why we don't have time.
So I'm very lucky to congratulate you in advance for whatever the decision in the future.
Thank you.
And thank you, sir, for visiting Iloilo City, our hometown. And what else I can say? You're so very lucky because here in the Philippines, Filipina is very hospitable, at the same time very family oriented. So I'm sure the family of ma'am really ano nyo, ano mo gid siya ma'am?
Yes, my family welcome here. Welcome here. Very. My family like him so much.
Oh. Because
They
this is their
welcome
third
very,
time,
yeah.
no?
They
So what?
were- The first and second is in Naga, right?
Yeah,
First time
first
in
two
Iloilo.
visits were at Naga,
Mm.
and this is my first time in Iloilo.
First time in Iloilo. First and second Naga.
Oh, okay. So ma'am, what is her what is her attitude that you like him?
Everything.
Oh, sir, you have heard everything.
Yes, everything.
Everything. Okay. To both of you, congratulations and good luck.
Thank you.
So much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
So
ma'am.
I'm very lucky to have him. Because everything, no bad.
Perfect. Almost perfect.
Not perfect, but he's really good.
Wow. Because you can seldom see foreigner men that is really sincere. Because you know the image of Filipinos sometimes ruined by very bad reputation. But for you, ma'am tell us that you are almost perfect. So congratulations, ma'am,
Thank you.
and thank you so much, sir.